Welcome back to Backyard Builds. It's 2023.
We are back for the new year.
I'm just going to start it off with a bang.
So, I think it's over to Dan from here.
Oh God.
Yep.
Alright, we'll spin the camera around and it's all Dan.
All Dan.
You sure you want to start your year this way?
Yep.
Said bang.
We'll do the intro. Just welcome back to Backyard Builds. Alright Dan, the silence to you.
It's me.
Yeah.
It is. Hello, peoples.
Welcome back to another episode of Backyard Builds. Well, hey there.
Yeah, we're right. It's all good.
So, what's going on here, Dan?
Well, a month or two ago, I was driving the dear old wagon and it wasn't performing all that well. It had dropped down to 6 cylinders and just wasn't going good. So 3 weekends ago, about 3 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon, I pulled her into the shed and got a little bit busy.
It's a big hole there.
And there's a hole there, yeah. But hopefully this will fill the hole.
Yep.
With a bit of luck. So this is still the original engine. I've fitted new main bearings, conrod bearings, new rings, new camshaft, new lifters, new valves in the cylinder head. Nick and I just lapped them in this morning.
Ball hone.
I was a bit late this morning.
New springs.
Yeah, it's just it's a good freshen up, of the motor. So I've got some still shots there that I can send through to Zach. Zach's been as busy as hell. So to give you an idea of what we were playing with, the engine had a lot of rust in the bores, and they all cleaned up with the bead hone, which I'll show you in a minute. They work really, really well.
Something you'd expect for a motor that sat for
Oh yeah,
30,
and
35,
caked
40
like
years.
the oil, and it's probably the messiest engine that I've ever had to clean. It was just phenomenal. I had the original head gaskets on it, the original rocker cover gaskets. Everything was hard, everything was fun, but we're there. Well, we think we are anyway. So the boys are here. They're going to give us a hand to put it back in the hole. We're going to try and fit some extractors to it as well. Remember, this is a power steer car, and the amount of room is not awesome, especially on the driver's side.
There's a lot going on up here.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in there.
No motor in there.
Anyway, we'll pop her in the hole and see how we go. We've got some bits and pieces to build another exhaust system for it, because the old exhaust system was rotted out. And hopefully this brings it back to life a little bit.
Sax is back.
He is. Sax, all you guys have made the journey out here, which I'm ever so grateful for.
Except for Tom.
Yeah, Tom's busy, but that's okay.
He's still at work.
Yeah.
He is the full bugger. So, yeah, that's it. That's what we're doing.
Let's back her in.
Let's get her in the hole and
Let's see if it's easier than a
Start.
Backyard wagon.
start it up after Christmas.
Yeah.
Pumping action.
Pump up the jams. Pump it up.
You can't see his feet there.
He's got no feet.
Camouflage. America.
I'm gonna get you threading him in.
I'm too fucking short.
Can you see the camera there?
Oh, actually, that helps. Look through the camera lens.
Man's too big.
First time I've heard that.
Well, I've got a bolt in there and it's got it reasonably.
What's
take the battery out of there.
Yeah, they're coming in from underneath. Or we lift that side of the motor up.
Well, we can do both. Like I can get it up a little bit on the hoist, and
let's do that.
and do both.
Yep. Yeah.
Industry standard.
Yeah, why not? What's wrong with it?
It's gonna fall out. That's what's wrong with it. Can you explain what you're doing?
Oh, we're just trying to fit something into a tight hole. Shoehorning. Go up a bit more.
Yeah.
Let's try. Oh,
Do you want me to try and feed from under that thing? I'm going to have to.
hang on. Go up a bit more. Think.
Because I've got to get through the column shift here too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. I do.
Alright, come back up.
So let me try and feed it from underneath here.
Why do we start with the wrong side?
You said rip the band-aid off.
Yeah, it's
I
the
don't
hard side. Well, thanks, mate. Thanks. Oh, fuck me dead.
You right?
Yeah, pretty fucking good actually. I think. That's how we seem to remember. Need to.
Why are you so short, Sax?
You want me to go up, Dan, or you're right?
I don't know yet, mate.
Up on the hoist, I mean.
Hang on. We're upside down.
Hello? Did we get the right side?
Hang on, are we upside down?
No,
Yeah, no, we're right.
Alright.
Looked upside down.
right on, Miss Daisy.
Alright. Oh.
So what we need to do, just for a little bit, just add make that work.
Lift up a bit more. And
Great
hit the
pump.
bell, hasn't
Great pumping action.
Yeah, just seeing me doing this on the screen.
I don't think they're going to fit, mate.
Weird little fake.
I'm just saying it needs to go straight back about 5 inches.
3 ports.
Yeah, just get there. Let's lift the, let that motor down.
Ready?
Yeah.
Just don't pull on it, Sax, because they're only just in that fucking hoop.
Yeah.
Alright, that's alright.
yeah.
Let it all the way down and just give it a fucking big heave-o now, Sax.
Okay. Just careful under there, Dan.
That looks good, man.
These lines, whatever these lines are for.
Um,
Basically just made in like a thumb and Sax and stuff.
Yeah, I took the easy side.
Hey,
power steering. pump.
Yeah, these two lines here are hitting the bottom pipe, primary.
Yep. I can see
We're hitting on the engine mount, so but we can mark that and give it a flog with a hammer.
still got to come up a little bit too, Sax.
Yeah, up that towards you.
that. Yeah, that looks good there, man. Yep.
Just humor me and try and chuck a couple of bolts in,
Yep.
Yep.
but I reckon I need to take it back out.
Side to other side. Say 2 head, 2 manifold.
Manifold side.
Yep, so 180 it, so silver bit out.
You might need this one, Nico. I might have to tether on for you. Oh, it's the same. Same thing.
Sax, can you just jiggle it? Yeah, thanks, mate.
Look at that.
Jiggle it. Jiggle it in my face.
All of the stuff. Is that green oil?
No, gag sound.
Oh,
Do you wanna
Jesus.
no, we won't go there.
No,
We won't go there.
we got some done.
It was quicker to get this in than it was your motor in.
Do you want to tell the people how long it actually took to get my motor in?
It was a full day, wasn't it?
It was. How'd you go there, Dan?
Yeah, good. Good. We're going all right. We fitted a lovely set of eBay special extractors to it.
For those playing at home, the driver's side actually has a slip joint in it, and a slit in the flange.
You cut it.
Finish the flange with a grinder.
And works. And as we know, the old car's got power steering, so ain't massive amounts of room.
Passenger side slipped straight in.
Went straight in the hole. So yeah, we're only a few. Hopefully tomorrow might breathe a little bit of life into it. I might get the exhaust finished first though, so it might be next week or something like that. Maybe Christmas.
You don't want to run the cam in it off the extractors.
My neighbours are really good.
Okay.
They're really good.
Yeah.
So no, I've done it once before.
Yeah.
With another car that I had here, and yeah, 20 minutes at 2,000 RPM with that going on.
It's a pretty strong power move.
Yeah. Yeah.
You really assert your dominance in the neighbourhood.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. They understand. So yeah, we'll hopefully have some footage of it soon, turtling back down the road and doing what it should be doing with a bit of luck.
Hopefully ready for summer nats.
Oh, there's a chance.
Pretty hot chance with you.
Yeah. Well, we're how many weeks away? We're 2 weeks away from summer nats.
2 weeks?
Yeah. 2 or 3 weeks.
Or are you taking a fair lane?
Either. We'll figure it out. Got to do a little bit of work to the fair lane, but we'll get there.
All right.
All right. Thanks once again, guys,
Thanks for watching, and
thanks Backyard Builds for the boys coming over and giving me a hand.
see you again next week.
We are organising a cruise.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe the Thursday night and the Friday night.
We'll see.
We're going to
Summer nats.
in Canberra. We're going to meet at the Dinosaur Museum, 6 o'clock in the car park, and we'll all cruise into Bradman together. Cars and bikes, welcome. See you next week.
See you next week.
What's the code word?
We still haven't got sticker packs.
Oh, haven't we? So no code words.
No code words.
Oh, come on, man. Seriously?
Yeah, that's our front sound.
That's got you.
Right. Very good.
So,
Welcome.
the footage before this would be of us putting your motor into the wagon after it was a bit smoky.
Yeah, it was. So just before Christmas, I had the mad idea that I wanted to make the wagon run a little bit better. Pulled the engine out, gave it a freshen up, and the boys come out and then give us a hand to put it back in the hole, and here we are. I've done about 800 Ks in it now, and all appears to be going well.
So what have you actually done to it, Dan?
New rings, new bearings, full gasket set, new camshaft, lifters, new valve springs, extractors.
They fitted really well.
They were awesome. And new exhaust system, 4-barrel manifold, and a 600 backsec Holly.
That's pretty good to me.
Yeah. So it's doing what it should be doing. It's going well.
New exhaust as well off those extractors.
Yeah. I built the exhaust. You guys have the ability to weld, whereas I don't. But I made it work, and it doesn't leak. So.
But you built all the motor yourself, didn't you?
Yeah, mate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. We did everything. Actually, on this one, we did everything ourselves. Once I pulled it apart and measured it all, it was in quite good order, but just tired.
Yep.
It was all the rings were seized into the pistons. The timing chain, the original timing chain, was in very poor order. Had a lot. I can send you through some footage of that you can throw up there because it was pretty wild. This is about the worst timing chain I think I've ever seen. Can you see that slack in it? One of the poor old girls having trouble getting away or getting going. Sweet as. Well, the engine had never been pulled apart. It was still original. It still had the, if you're a Ford guy, you'll know back in the day, you pull a manifold, an inlet manifold off these. They've got a big tin factory inlet manifold gasket, and that was still there. So yeah, it had never been tore down before. So yeah, it's good. It's good. It's going well. So now just to put some miles on it and enjoy driving it in the heat.
In the heat. It's warm today.
It's going all right.
It'll be warm in a black vinyl interior.
Yes. Yes, absolutely. So yeah, that's what's been going on. The old wagon, it's going quite well. Going quite well.
All right, Dan.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So there you go.
Thank you very much.
We can get ready for stage 2.
Stage 2. You might see that on a future episode of Backyard Builds.
Maybe. Maybe. I'm in stage 2 for today.
Next episode's down here. You can probably see what's behind it, but tune in 2 weeks' time and you can see what's going on there.
That's it. Peace out.